I want to give you permission to start affiliate marketing even if you have zero experience, zero followers, and zero money to invest. Because right now in 2026, with AI, none of that matter anymore. I started this business, guys, with nothing. No audience, no email list, no product, no budget. Today, I'm making over $40,000 a month every single month. I'm going to show you exactly how I got there, okay? Just last month, I have made $40,253 and it's paid. This is a recent payment request details. It's paid as you guys can see here, okay? I already received this payment in my PayPal account and this is my invoice. So anyway, okay, I have been doing this business, guys, for over 6 years. I know exactly what's working right now and what's changed everything for me, and what's going to change everything for you is AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start affiliate marketing as a beginner using AI complete from zero, okay? Step by step. This is the exact system I'm using to make 40K a month, and any beginner can copy this starting today. Stay until the end because I'm going to show you one AI method that is generating thousands of dollars for students right now, and the most people have no idea it even exists. Okay, this is my affiliate account dashboard. Just this month I'm at $24,863. Okay, so anyway, for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing using AI, you guys need to join an affiliate marketing program. So the best one, the profitable one that I'm working with is Fiverr Affiliate. So if you want to join, just go to Google and search for Fiverr like this and click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page like this and scroll down, go to company and click over here on affiliate. Okay, it's gonna take you to this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can scroll down so you guys can go and check their commission plan. They are really paying good commissions, guys. Okay, this is high ticket affiliate program. They are paying, guys, for pro services. For example, you guys can see here that they are paying up to 70% of the first order. The best part with this affiliate marketing business is that they keep paying you 10% of future orders, meaning you keep earning 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. So for example, if one person buys a service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to 70% of his first order. If the same person will keep buying more services for the next 12 months, so for 1 year, you keep earning 10% revenue share for each transaction this person will make on Fiverr. So you can turn this into a passive income, okay? The lowest that they are paying is 25%, which is really good, and you guys can check this, okay? So if you want to create your affiliate account, just go back to this page and click here on join now, okay? And you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you guys can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can click on yes, and what you will do here is you need to put your social media profile link. So for example, like your Pinterest profile link, your YouTube channel profile link, your Facebook profile, your Facebook page profile link, any social media profile link. You can put yours here, okay? Once you do that, scroll more and click on country and choose your country from here. You guys can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and so on. Just search for your country from here and click here to choose your language. Once you finish, you can put your Telegram account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. You should see your commissions here, your clicks, your CTR, people who used your affiliate link to sign up to Fiverr, and people who used your affiliate link to buy those services that I will share with you, okay? So it's clear and simple. So what you need to do next is you need to create Pinterest business account, because we will use Pinterest, guys, to promote those services, because Pinterest is a gold mine for affiliate marketing. It's a search engine platform and it's very good for affiliate marketing, okay? So it's super easy and simple. Just go to Google, search for Pinterest and search for Pinterest business account, not personal account. Choose business account. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, why we choose Pinterest, guys? Because Pinterest, guys, is getting 1 billion monthly visitors. The best part with the Pinterest, guys, for you as beginners, it's search engine platform, so you don't need to grow your followers. It doesn't matter. What you need to focus on is your SEO. It's your keyword in your description, the keyword in your title, and the keyword in your pin picture. This is what you need to focus on. And if you are using good SEO, you are using good keyword, your pins can rank higher on Pinterest, can get you traffic for years. I have pins that I have posted for years, they are still getting clicks and still making me commissions. It's search engine platform. It's like Google and YouTube. It's not like Instagram, it's not like TikTok. Search engine platform, meaning it's all about SEO. Okay, and I'll show you guys how you can get good SEO. So once you finish creating your Pinterest business account like this, what you will do, you will click here on home feed. Okay, and what you will do, you will click on create pin. Okay, and it's gonna take you to this page. So what you need to do next is you need to create a pin that you will use to promote Fiverr affiliate services. Okay, and you need to promote services that can help people to solve their problems and services that has high demand. Okay, so what you will do next is just go back to Fiverr, go back to your Fiverr homepage, and what you will do here, so if you don't know which services to promote for you as a beginner, let me show you what you will do. You will click here on the search bar of Fiverr, and for you as beginner, you will see this popular right now. This is the services that people are paying for right now on Fiverr. This is the services that's for you that you need to promote on Pinterest: video editing, UGC, AI video, animation, data, logo design, website development, social media manager, YouTube thumbnail. Those services, you should start promoting those services on Pinterest. Okay, also you can use this option. You can click here on trending. Do you see this option? Fiverr, they have this one, trending, and here you will see all trending services, all the services that has high demand, that people are paying for on Fiverr. So this is the services that's for you that you need to focus on. You have book design, you have book and ebook marketing, social media design, UGC videos, e-commerce, also AI videos. They are very profitable. AI agents, AI mobile apps, and so much more. You have a lot of services. You have this option trending, so start promoting those services. Okay, also you can click on the search. So for me, I will search for Pinterest marketing. Okay, I will promote services related to Pinterest because those services will help Pinterest users to grow their Pinterest business account. So for people who are running businesses inside Pinterest, they will be interested to buy the service. So I will promote services related to Pinterest. I will search for Pinterest marketing, scroll down, and here you go. You will find here a lot of people who provide this service. So for you guys, what you need to do is you need to choose good sellers. Okay, so let's pick one as an example. How we can choose good sellers? Always choose like top rated sellers and level 2 sellers and pro sellers. Those sellers will be good sellers for you, because if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the feedback of those sellers, they will check the reviews. If you are using good sellers, people also can buy this service from you and you can earn a commission. Okay, so please choose good sellers. So for example, guys, I will choose this one, Pinterest marketing. This one is top rated seller and he has a lot of reviews. I will manage your Pinterest marketing for your business and blog. This one is a good one. I will click on this one. So just click on the service that you want to use, and here you go. You will be directly in this seller profile page. You guys can see that people already paying for those services. It's just this one single seller have 8 orders in queue and over 200 people paid for this service. The best part with this service is that this service, guys, is evergreen service, meaning that people can keep buying this service from you over and over, and you keep earning 10% revenue share that I explained it in the beginning. So what you need to do next, you just need to copy this seller profile link. So just copy the seller profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and go over here to your dashboard. Click on this option here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Okay, click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first affiliate link. Okay, this one, guys, will be your affiliate link. Fiverr marketplace new plan. If you are promoting Level 1. Level 2, top rated seller, you will copy always your affiliate link from here. If you are promoting pro services, you will copy your affiliate link from here. If you are promoting logo services, you will copy your affiliate link from here, from this one, logo maker. Okay, for me, I do have this option, Fiverr Step A old plan, because like I said in the beginning, I have been doing this business for over 6 years. That's why I still have this option. I do have an old Fiverr affiliate account, but this one, guys, Fiverr Pro new plan, it's even better. Okay, so now you created your affiliate link. You need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. I shared with you guys almost everything. And for people who want to take this business seriously and join my community, like my students, I do have an affiliate marketing course. I explain it exactly how you can use AI to run your affiliate marketing business. Okay, how you can use AI for content creation, how you can use AI for your website, for your affiliate, to create an affiliate website, to create a landing page, to do keyword research. If you are interested, you want to take this business seriously, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I'll send you all the details. A lot of students have joined this course, guys, and they are making great results from different countries. I have students from United States, students from United Kingdom, Canada, Australia. Also age, it doesn't matter. Your location, it doesn't matter. It's, you just need to apply the system correctly. Okay, if you want to take it seriously, just reach out to me in my email address and I'll send you all the details. You guys know that's what's working right now is AI. If you are not using AI in your affiliate marketing business, you can't scale. Once I started using AI, my affiliate marketing business is just keep growing month over month. Okay, and it's all about AI. Without AI, I can't get those numbers, guys. Anyway, so once you create your affiliate account, like I said, we need to promote this affiliate link, guys, on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest, and what you need to do here, pay close attention. You need to create a high quality pin picture, good title, using of course good keyword in your title, good keyword in your description, so your pin can rank higher on Pinterest and get clicks, make you traffic and make you commissions. Okay, so what you will do here, you will use AI to create high quality pin picture. Pay close attention, go to ChatGPT and ask him to give you a prompt that you will send to Google Gemini AI to create a viral high quality Pinterest pin picture that you will use to promote Pinterest marketing service on Pinterest. Okay, ChatGPT will give you this prompt. What you will do, you will copy this prompt from here and you will go back to Google Gemini. Go to Google Gemini and paste your prompt here, and Google Gemini will create this high quality pin picture just in few seconds. Okay, fast. Just click here to download this pin picture to your laptop. Go back to Pinterest and click here and upload your Pinterest pin picture exactly like this. Do you see? You can make so much content done with AI. You can make so much pins just in few seconds. Okay, all done by AI. Okay, you need a title and description. We will go back to Google Gemini and we will ask him, give me SEO optimized, okay, pin title, okay, and description, okay, to rank higher on Pinterest. That's it. Just start asking AI. Just please, just start using AI, okay? And Google Gemini will give you guys an SEO optimized title, okay? Here you go. This is your pin title. Grow your business with Pinterest marketing. Copy this title, go back, paste this title here, go back to Google Gemini. This is your pin description. Copy this pin description, hashtags, you have everything here. Okay, go back to Pinterest, paste this description here. What you need to do next is you need to put here your landing page or your affiliate website. Okay, and what you will do, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, you will copy your affiliate link from here, and this link, you don't need to put direct links here. Direct affiliate links on Pinterest can get your account banned and you will make zero commissions and you will get zero traffic. Okay, so it's better to use a landing page or an affiliate website. You can put your affiliate link inside your landing page or inside your affiliate website, then put your website link here or your landing page link here. Okay, so for example, I will put here, so for example, this is my landing page link. I will scroll down, pay close attention also in this step. Click on choose a board. If you have new accounts, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it. And you can create a lot. Please, in each board, promote one specific niche. If you want to promote a different niche, create a new board and promote the niche that you want. If you are promoting different niches in one board, Pinterest will not get you traffic, will not push your pins, and will not show your pins to people. Okay, please, in each board, promote one specific niche. So I hope it's clear. So I will choose this one as an example. Here you can put tags. It doesn't matter. What you need to focus on, it's your title and your description. Okay, so once you finish everything, what you will do next, you will click on publish, and that's it. And here you go, you just published your first affiliate link on Pinterest. That's exactly how you can start affiliate marketing business as a beginner using AI. Okay, and your pin will be published like this. So for people who are asking, so how much we can earn if one person buy this service from our affiliate link, so let me show you guys. If you remember, let me show you. For those services, guys, it's not pro service, but these services you can earn 25% of the first order. Okay, and this service that we are promoting, just the basic package starting from $130. Okay, if we go to ChatGPT and asking, for example, what is like 25, okay, of 100, just let's take, this is just the basic package. Some people can buy standard package, some people can pay for premium package. You guys can see it's $32. This is really like crazy commissions, guys. It's very high. Okay, $32 for every single sale that will came from your affiliate link. Okay, they are paying really good commissions, guys, high commissions. Okay, and guys, by the way, this commission that I'm making every single month, it's not coming just from Pinterest. I'm not using just Pinterest. I'm using also YouTube, and YouTube is the best traffic source for me. Okay, I'm using YouTube, I'm using Instagram Reels, I'm using TikTok, I'm using Facebook Reels, and I'm using also Quora and Reddit. And inside the course, I explained all of this. Okay, everything. Okay, and that's it. So if you have any questions and you want to learn more about this business, feel free to reach out to me in my email address, and I'll send you all the details. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.